Hi folks, welcome to another video. Monday here today. Hope you all had a good weekend, wherever you are, wherever you were. Right, let's have a look at what's going on outside. So, that one we know about, that's going up in the air to have the rear seals and arches done. Hopefully you'll get a bit more started on that later in the week. This one here was one of the two I went out and purchased. The Laguna Blue S Special. And this is the really rare one of 100 Jasper Conran special editions with the red leather interior. I quite like this car. I'm looking forward to getting that restored. It's only done 59,000 miles, that one. This one here, I think that's in for an underseal. That's the one you'll all know about. It's been in quite a lot of videos. That is going next week, or next Saturday, coming Saturday. That's now finished. Thank goodness. This one, thumbs down for that one. You saw that one. I think this is the one you saw on the ramp. Was this the one? Oh, I don't know actually. No, this is one of the other ones. This one wasn't the one where we were opening it up and it was all rotten really badly inside. But I also think this one's the end of the road as well. So, bit of a shame, that one. So that will possibly be being broken for parts if anyone's interested in any bits. Although there's not much on it, to be honest. German one. That's in for chassis rails. So yeah, that's good. Nice to see some coming back from Europe now after COVID. You've all seen that one. That's now pretty much done. Just waiting for a geo. Let's go through into the workshop. I think it's pretty much decided that this was the one we were cutting open. You saw us pretty much live cutting that open on one of the videos. Thumbs down for that one as well, I think. Not surprised really. Let's see. All right. Right.
Yes.
Right, so this one you've seen a few times, Glen Eagles one that he's done the rear seals and arches on. You're just cracking on with the front seals now, yeah?
Slacking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's done.
Done, is it?
Yeah.
That was the easy side though, wasn't it? Yeah, that one's done. So that's a new outer, and the inner was just all cleaned up on that one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's all cleaned inside there. And, yeah,
whereas this one's got to have new sections, isn't it?
Yeah, so this one we've replaced this main section here.
Right. It's double skin here, folks. So
yeah, it is, I've reused the bit to clear outside here.
Right.
Upright.
Oh yeah.
Cleaned out and reused it. So just putting this on at the moment, and then once that's done, I then got to rebuild this bit here.
Yep.
Welding done.
Off to paint.
Yeah.
Jolly good. Jake's just got this one in. Right, Jake? This one's just having a sort of patch repair really in that area as per customer request. Not what we normally do, but it's what all they want to pay for, so that's what we're doing.
Yep. That's very crusty in there.
Yeah,
very, very
yeah, I did warn him. And then there's, what else is on this one? Underseal and some ball joint dust covers, isn't there?
Yeah, ball joint dust covers, cavity wax and underseal.
Yeah, alright. Cool. Light at the end of the tunnel?
I think so. Depends how long the tunnel is, really, doesn't it? It has been a very long tunnel.
It has.
I think I'm at that point, you know, when like the French came through the tunnel and met the English, and there was that shaking hands moment. I'm there. I'm pretty much there.
It's getting close now. Oil pressure? There isn't any.
Yeah, there is.
Sure?
Yeah, right there. Should have come by now. Maybe a wire's come off. I Oh, there we go.
And the lights came up.
Oh, well, I wonder what that was. Oh, anyway, maybe some teething problems there. Looked like there was definitely maybe an electrical gremlin there because the pressure was just on foot. It doesn't do that, it normally slowly builds.
Oh well. There you go.
Odd. Anyway, that could be a ground or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, so there's oil in it. It's been primed.
So.
Just doing the doors, waiting for the coil pack housing to dry. I'll rub that down and paint that.
Right.
Plug that in. The bobbins have come for the intercooler mounts.
All right. Oh, they look alright, don't they?
Yeah, they look pretty much. Well, I think they're about a mil smaller, which I think will probably be better anyway because it always mounts really close to the anti-roll bar.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
So bung them on, and that's it. Windscreen was going to be fitted today, but the guy came and I forgot to order an OEM trim,
Yeah.
so we postponed that. We're going to get that in. Dashes in, heaters are in, soundproofing's in, ECU's in. Just building the doors and finishing off a few brackets. Probably
This is really close, isn't it? Now it's funny how suddenly it's
I'm
like.
going to put the roof on it this week, and then once I've got windscreen, roof, and that, then I can put carpet in, and then
Yeah.
we can shut it in. So then
Yeah.
all dust is getting on it, and then I mean once the engine bit's done, it's then brakes, some clutch fluid, some brake fluid.
We're like weeks now, isn't it?
It's weeks. Yeah,
Before we can,
is, yeah. I mean, at the end of this week, I'd like to see. Hopefully, we get the windscreen back in because then that would mean possibly carpets. We've got the seats for it. The roof would be done. Trim would be on here. The engine and the engine bay should be completely finished off. And I'd like to see the brakes on it this week. And then it's just going to be small trim pieces. There is
and the last bits to paint, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Little odd bits of paint, and that's like a paint job. But it is so close in here. I mean, it's just the intercooler that needs like bolting up. And then once I've got my coil packs done, like this thing is ready to fire.
Different cam cover on it now.
Yeah, this is one that Matt had done, which I think it complements the car.
Yeah.
I've got to put a few.
I don't think all this was in, was it, last time?
I don't know. I think it was.
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't think the heat shield was on.
I think it was.
Okay. Maybe it was. You'll know better than me.
Yeah, it was. Things needed buttoning up, but there was other pipes that needed doing. So as of from last week, there's more hoses that have gone on. I mean, when you just look at it, there's just
so many bits and bobs, isn't
so
there?
much has been cleaned, like everything. There's just so much of it, a lot.
Exciting.
I am getting Le-mans out.
Laguna Blue one next.
Yeah, well, that's going to be good because that's going to be some rust work, some metal work,
Yeah.
some welding, and I don't think I've done that for about 5 years.
Oh, we'll probably have to send the wheels off soon, won't we?
Yes. Yeah, send wheels off.
Yeah.
So I think we might do that not next week, probably the week after.
Okay.
Because I think that's probably when realistically it could probably be back at the paint shop.
Yeah.
And then we'll just get sent away.
Brilliant. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's,
Grant, you're not doing an underseal.
not yet. Grant's just fitting a new brake caliper.
Well, the hydraulic
Yeah,
one.
it's a hydraulic brake caliper.
Hydraulic one.
Yeah. Could do away with these. Don't need them.
Okay. So general servicing on this, isn't it?
Yeah, service. Yeah.
And then-
unfortunately, these 3 new calipers. This goes all round.
Did ball joint dust covers on the front.
Dust covers, stuff like that.
And then it's, as you can see, a bit crusty. I think I've spoken about this one before outside. Later in the week it goes over to Roy's ramp for the welding. Cool. That's that then. Thanks, Mark.
Latest.
Okay, folks. Kind of a short one this week, or this day, week, whatever. See you in the next one. Bye.